You are writing code to modify existing rows in a Dataverse table using a defined alternate key. Which two requests can you use? Each correct selection provides a complete solution. Option A, update request. Option B, upsert request. Option C, create request. Option D, retrieve request. Okay, let's talk about what we need to do here. We are modifying existing rows in a Dataverse table using a defined alternate key. Remember, when we are working with alternate keys, what we're really doing is updating existing records. So we can't just create request. That would cause a new row, and create request doesn't support alternate keys. We also can't use retrieve request because that's to retrieve data. So let's take a look at the correct answers. First, update request. That correctly handles updating existing records using an alternate key. Second, upsert request. That works almost the same way, except it also keeps track of whether a record exists or doesn't exist, so it can update or create a new record. So the correct answer is option A, update request, and option B, upsert request. Let's think about how we interact with data in Dataverse, specifically when we want to change existing records. Instead of relying purely on the primary key, we can define alternate keys to identify rows uniquely. The core concept here is understanding which SDK request messages support leveraging these alternate keys to modify data effectively.
In my view, the correct answers are update request and upsert request. Both can be utilized when working with alternate keys in Dataverse. Update request can perform an update when the entity's key attributes collection is populated with the alternate key values. Upsert request specifically allows you to perform an insert or update operation based on the presence of a record matching the alternate key.
Meanwhile, create request and retrieve request are used for creating and retrieving records respectively, making them incorrect for performing an update.